Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Part A. The market graph shows demand and supply intersecting at P equals $14 in QM. MR equals PF equals $14. The profit maximizing quantity QF occurs where MR equals MC. Revenue decreases to $0. In perfect competition, products are perfect substitutes. If a firm raises its price above the market level, consumers will purchase from other sellers, and the firm's quantity demand drops to 0. Part C. Increased tofu popularity shifts the soybean market demand curve right, raising the equilibrium price to P2 and quantity to Q2. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.